Hey everyone, welcome back to My Best Fitness, where we empower you with health tips and fitness routines to help you live your best life. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic, fitness routines for beginners. Whether you're just starting out or getting back into the groove, I've got some fantastic strategies that will not only boost your fitness, but also enhance your productivity. Let's get started. Segment 1. First off, let's talk about why fitness is so important. Regular exercise can improve your mood, increase your energy levels, and help you focus better. Perfect for anyone looking to boost productivity. Plus, a consistent routine can lead to better sleep and reduce stress. Who doesn't want that? Setting realistic goals. Next, let's set some realistic goals. Instead of saying, I want to be fit, try something specific like, I want to work out 3 times a week for 30 minutes. This clarity helps you stay focused and motivated. Remember, small, achievable goals lead to bigger successes. Apartment in Phoenix, Aaron Brennan. Now let's talk equipment. As a beginner, you don't need a gym full of gear. A yoga mat, a pair of dumbbells, or even resistance bands can do wonders. If you're on a budget, don't worry. You can start with bodyweight exercises, which are incredibly effective. Segment 4. Now let's explore different types of workouts. A balanced routine should include cardio. This could be brisk walking, jogging, or cycling. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity cardio each week. Strength training. Focus on bodyweight exercises like squats, lunges, and push-ups. Start with 2 days a week. Flexibility training. Incorporate stretching or yoga to improve flexibility and reduce stress. Mixing these types keeps your routine fresh and exciting. Segment 5. Sample beginner routine. Here's a simple beginner routine you can follow. Warm-up. Start with dynamic stretches like arm circles and leg swings. Do 10-25 reps of arm push-ups, knee or full. Learn how to stretch without dragging yourself down. Cardio, 10 to 15 minutes or so. Cool down. Finish with static stretches for your major muscle groups. You can do this routine 3 times a week. Segment 6. Staying motivated can be tough, but here are a few tips. Workout buddy. Find a friend to join you. It's more fun and keeps you accountable. Set a schedule. Treat your workouts like appointments. Consistency is key. Celebrate small wins. Every time you complete a workout, celebrate. It's a step towards your goals. Segment 7. Common mistakes to avoid. Lastly, let's talk about some common mistakes. Make sure you use proper form to avoid injuries. Don't push yourself too hard. Listen to your body and rest when needed. Avoid comparing your journey to others. Everyone progresses at their own pace. Alright, that wraps up our guide on fitness routines for beginners. Remember, the key to productivity is consistency. Start small, stay committed, and you'll see results over time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more health tips. Let's crush those fitness goals together. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.